Hello children, this is your social mom speaking. I hope you everyone safe at home and be healthy. Today we are going to see our fourth lesson Beyond Our Skies part 2. Yes, I hope you everyone remembered about our solar system. Yes, which is the center of the solar system? The sun. How many major planets are there? 8 major planets are there. Which planet we are all living? Earth. Yes, today we are going to see about planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The word planet comes from the Greek word planets, which means wanderer. The planets are at different distance from the sun and move around the sun at different speed. Guess. All the planets are at different distance. Yes. For example, Mercury is the first planet. So it has different distance from the sun. Earth is a third planet from the sun. So it has different distance from the sun. So like that, all the planets are at different distance from the sun and it move around the sun at different speeds. Let us explore the planets. What is our first planet? Mercury. It is the planet closest to the sun. It is often called a speedy messenger because it takes the shortest time to orbit around the sun. Mercury has no moon. Since it is close to the sun, it is very hot and cannot support life. Which is the very first planet, which is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury. That's why it's often called a speedy messenger. It takes shortest time to around the sun once because it's a first planet, so that's why it takes the shortest time to around the sun one time. Mercury has no moon since it is close to the sun because it is the first planet, so that's why it is very hot and it cannot support to life. Listen children, now we are going to see about hours per day in all the planets. See, we know very well Earth 24 hours per day. So like that, all the planet has hours for day. Mercury 1408 hours per day in Mercury. How many hours? 1408. See, the Venus is the slowest planet. Yes, because it takes nearly 5832 hours per day. Wow, listen, it's very interesting. Earth 24 hours per day, that we know very well. Mars, like that, Mars 25 hours per day in Mars. Jupiter, how many hours? 10 hours. How many hours? 10 hours per day. Saturn, 11 hours per day. Uranus, 17 hours per day. Neptune, 16 hours per day. Wow, listen children, all the planets has takes hours, different hours for per day. Yes. Now we are going to see about Mercury quick facts. Smallest planet and closest to the sun. Yes, because it's the first planet and also it is the smallest planet. 3,59,80,000 miles from the sun. Listen children, it is a first planet, but it takes this much miles from the sun. Think about Earth. 58,646 Earth days. Yes, Mercury takes a shortest time period to around the sun, 88 days in a year. So, but we have in our Earth 365 days in a year, but Mercury only 88 days in a year. So, we have to calculate 58,646 Earth days. This is calculated in the Earth days. Mercury has no moons. Is made mostly of iron and very thin silicate crust. Named after the messenger to God. Yes, yes, it has another name also, speedy messenger. Fun fact, people found out about Mercury in the 14th century BC. Yes, BC means before Christ. Now we are all living AC period. AC means after Christ. So when people found about Mercury in the 14th century BC, Mercury is the most creatured planet in the solar system. It is the second hottest planet. Yes, it is the second hottest planet and also smallest planet. 13 times during a century. We know very well, century means 100 years once. Mercury can be seen by people on Earth. How many times? 13 times we can see the Mercury on the Earth in a century. Yes, what is our next planet? Venus. It is the brightest of all the planets, hence it can be seen from the Earth with the naked eye. It is also called the morning star or evening star. Yes, it has another name, morning star and evening star, because it is the brightest object visible in the sky both in the morning and the evening. Yes, it is the brightest object. It looks like a star. So that's why it's called as a morning star and evening star. Earlier, people often mistook Venus for a star. Venus has no moon. It is also a very dry planet with no water and is too hot to support life. Yes, the Venus is also not support to the life. It has no moon. See, listen children, we can see the Venus morning and evening. So that's why it has another name, morning star or evening star. It's look like a star because it's the brightest object, brightest planet in our solar system. On Venus, it snows metal and rain sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is one of the chemical. So what is our next planet? Yes, Earth. Which planet we are all living? Earth. Earth is a third planet from the Sun. It is a only planet with liquid water on its surface. See how it is visible. It's look like a blue color. That's why it's called as a blue planet. 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered by water, and hence it is also called the blue planet. Until now, Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to support life. Yes, Earth is the only planet to support the life in the solar system. It takes around 365 days for the Earth to go around the Sun once. Earth has only one moon. Yes, listen children, how it is. It's look like blue color because it the surface, 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered by the water. That's why it's look like a blue color. So it is called as a blue planet. And in the solar system, Earth is the only planet to support the life. It takes nearly 365 days to go around the Sun once. Earth has only one moon. Third planet from the Sun, fifth largest planet. It is a fifth largest planet. Takes about 365 days. 365 days means 1 year to orbit around the Sun. The surface of the Earth is a 70% of water and plate tectonics. Earth has one moon. Yes, Earth has only one moon. That is, we are called as our natural satellites. What is our next planet? Mars. It is also called the red planet. Yes, look at its appearance. It look like its appearance is red color. So that's why it's called as a red planet due to its red appearance. The name of the month March is derived from the Mars. Mars has 2 moons. How many moons it has? 2 moons. See, Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, named after the Roman god of war. Yes, when it is got the name after the Roman god of war. Mars has a thin atmosphere that contains mostly carbon dioxide. Mars has two small moons. How many moons it has? Two small moons. What are they? Phobos and Deimos. What is the name of the moons? Phobos and Deimos. I hope you children, everyone understood about planets. Yes, today we are going to do this activity. What is that? Look beyond. Imagine one day you open the door and find a visitor from Mars. What would the visitor look like? What will be the first words you tell your visitor? Draw a picture of your visitor outside the door and fill in the speech bubble. Listen children, you have to imagine yourself one day. While you open the door, find a visitor. Your visitor come to your home from the Mars. So you have to draw here. Your visitor comes to your house means how they look like. So you have to draw the image, draw the picture here. So they come from the Mars. What you are going to speak? What you are going to speak? The first word. What you are going to speak to them? Speak to that visitor. That you have to fill in the speech bubble. I hope you children, everyone understood and enjoyed the section. Thank you.